Most men after the age of 50 believe that drinking 2 liters of plain water per day is the gold standard for health. You drink water to cleanse the body, to keep the kidneys working, and to stay alert. But I am here to tell you a harsh truth that most doctors never reveal. If you only drink pure plain water, you are unintentionally missing the simplest opportunity to rescue the masculine vitality that is slowly fading. Plain water may keep you alive, but it contains absolutely none of the raw materials required to activate powerful blood flow to the area that matters most when night falls. Why does your vitality gradually disappear even though you live a healthy lifestyle? Why does the morning firmness that once defined masculine pride become infrequent and weak? The answer lies in a remarkable molecule that after the age of 50, your body produces at less than half of what it truly needs. That molecule is nitric oxide. Imagine nitric oxide as the commander standing at the gates of your blood vessels, ordering them to open wide so blood can rush in. Without this commander, no matter how strong your desire may be, the vessels below remain tightly closed, and plain water cannot recreate the command system that has been lost. I am Naren, your trusted men's health advisor. With many years of experience in male performance optimization, I am here to offer you solutions not through medication, but through sharp medical logic. In this video, I will show you how to transform an ordinary glass of water into a powerful delivery drink that helps rebuild your entire nitric oxide production system in just a few days of use. Before I dive into the biological mechanism behind this process, I want a small interaction from you. Leave a comment below with your current age. Why does this matter? Because for every 10 years after the age of 40, your natural nitric oxide production drops by roughly 15%. Knowing this number allows me to identify exactly how deprived your blood vessels may be. And do not forget to subscribe, because every week I share practical strategies to help you maintain your strength and presence regardless of age. The biggest mistake men make is treating water as nothing more than a thirst quencher. Starting today, I want you to view water as a transport system. When you learn how to combine it with the active compounds I am about to reveal, you will notice a difference in energy and firmness within the very first week. Are you ready to discover why your internal pipeline has been running dry and how to refill it properly? To understand why your performance has declined, imagine your blood vessel system as a complex network of rubber hoses. In your 20s, these hoses were soft, flexible, and capable of expanding fully whenever a signal arrived. But after the age of 50, a silent breakdown begins. These vessels gradually stiffen and become brittle. The culprit is not only cholesterol buildup, but the disappearance of nitric oxide, the gas that acts as both lubricant and signal molecule for vessel expansion. Nitric oxide is not a hormone. It is a short-lived gas molecule that holds absolute control over blood circulation. When you want a strong erection, your brain sends a signal to the endothelial cells lining your blood vessels to produce nitric oxide. This molecule immediately instructs the smooth muscle fibers surrounding the arteries to fully relax. Only when these fibers relax can the vessels expand several times their normal size, allowing blood to flood the erectile chambers. Without sufficient nitric oxide, no matter how strong your heart pumps, and no matter how intense your desire may be, the pipeline below remains tightly constricted like a bottleneck. The most serious problem for men over the age of 50 is that the internal nitric oxide production factory begins to deteriorate. The endothelial cells lining the blood vessels are damaged by prolonged oxidative stress and chronic inflammation, causing them to lose sensitivity to signals from the brain. According to clinical research, at this age, the amount of nitric oxide your body produces naturally is often less than 50% of what it was in youth. This is precisely why plain water is not enough. Water can prevent your blood from becoming too thick, but it is completely incapable of commanding blood vessels to dilate. Many men make the mistake of turning to short-term solutions that borrow against their health. They use medications to force blood vessels to dilate for a few hours, while neglecting the natural production factory that continues to decline. This is a short-sighted and risky strategy. My approach is to restore that factory itself, to rejuvenate your endothelial cells and help them function more efficiently and sustainably. By transforming your daily drinking water into a targeted biological compound, we can force the body to restart nitric oxide production from the root. The question then becomes, what exactly do we need to add to water to create this transformation? There are 4 powerful active compounds that science has shown can revive male blood flow faster than almost any other natural method. One of them is a deep red root vegetable that you can find in almost any market, but how you use it will determine whether you remain an ordinary man or become a true warrior. To turn a simple glass of plain water into a potent catalyst for performance, you do not need 9 or 10 complicated ingredients. With an expert mindset, I have distilled this down to 4 of the most powerful components, forming a closed system that supports nitric oxide production, delivery, and protection within your bloodstream. The first and most important component is beetroot powder. Why beetroot? Because it provides a perfect shortcut known as the nitrate pathway. After the age of 50, endothelial cells become aged and struggle to produce nitric oxide on their own. The nitrates in beetroot are converted by beneficial oral bacteria into nitrites, which are then directly transformed into nitric oxide in the stomach and blood vessels, without relying on the health of aging endothelial cells. This is how you override the aging process and force blood vessels to dilate almost immediately. The second component is L-Citrulline, most commonly found in watermelon. If beetroot delivers an immediate boost, citrulline serves as a long-lasting reserve. Once inside the body, it is converted into arginine, the most fundamental raw material for nitric oxide production. The advantage of citrulline over taking arginine directly is that it is not broken down by the digestive system. It acts like a fuel truck loaded with supplies, helping maintain elevated nitric oxide levels throughout the entire day, rather than creating a short spike that quickly fades. The third component is a quiet plumber for your vascular system, pine bark extract. This ingredient protects the integrity of your blood vessel network. It contains extremely powerful antioxidants that repair damage to endothelial cells and make vessel walls more flexible and elastic. When pine bark extract is combined with citrulline, medical studies have shown a significant improvement in erectile function and blood circulation after 6 weeks of consistent use. The final component is pomegranate extract combined with vitamin C. If the first 3 components focus on producing and transporting nitric oxide, pomegranate acts as the protective shield. Nitric oxide is a highly unstable gas that can be destroyed by free radicals within seconds. The polyphenols in pomegranate prevent this breakdown, allowing nitric oxide to remain active in the bloodstream for longer periods. This ensures that blood flow to sensitive areas remains strong, stable, and sustained until intimacy is complete. Combining these 4 components into your daily glass of plain water is not simply nutritional supplementation. You are actively reprogramming the entire circulatory map of your body. However, even if you have the best ingredients in the world, if you make the 2 common mistakes I am about to share, all of your effort will be wasted. There is a daily habit that seems hygienic, but is in fact the enemy that destroys nitric oxide directly in your mouth. Once you have these powerful tools, the next requirement is a precise formulation and an intelligent usage strategy. Do not randomly throw everything into water. To create a circulation restoration drink, follow this ratio. 1 teaspoon of concentrated beetroot powder, 1/4 teaspoon of L-Citrulline, and approximately 100 milligrams of pine bark extract. Dissolve everything in 500 milliliters of plain water and add a few drops of lemon to provide vitamin C that helps stabilize the gas molecule. The optimal time to drink it is immediately after waking to activate blood vessels, or 30 minutes before activities that require physical endurance. However, there is a truth few people realize. The production of nitric oxide does not begin in the blood vessels, it begins on your tongue. This is where the most dangerous mistake occurs. Many men habitually use strong antibacterial mouthwash daily to keep their breath fresh. What they do not know is that this habit directly kills the beneficial bacteria on the surface of the tongue. These bacteria are the only workers capable of converting nitrate into nitric oxide. When you destroy them with chemical mouthwash, no matter how much beetroot powder you consume, your body cannot utilize it. Replace chemical mouthwash with natural tongue cleaning if you do not want to cut off the lifeline of your blood vessels with your own hands. The second mistake is excessive consumption of refined sugar. Sugar does not only raise blood lipids, it acts like an acid that erodes the endothelial lining of blood vessels. When blood sugar levels are high, endothelial cells become unable to produce nitric oxide, causing permanent vascular stiffening regardless of how many nutrients you try to add. Consider sugar the #1 enemy of erections. A strong man is one who controls what he consumes in order to protect the internal operating system of his body. Drinking plain water without purpose is now a thing of the past. From this point forward, every sip you take should carry a message of restoration. Careful selection of the right components and strict avoidance of destructive factors is what creates the difference between a 60-year-old man with the vitality of a 30-year-old and one who is gradually fading. But how long will it take to see results? Can a body that has been neglected for years truly recover? Let us walk together into a 30-day protocol that completely transforms your internal pipeline. Many men come to me with skepticism and ask whether at this age it is truly possible to reverse aging. My answer is always the same. The human body is a marvel of self-repair as long as you provide it with the correct materials and belief. Observe the next 30 days as you begin turning plain water into a nitric oxide restoration weapon. During the first 7 days, the most noticeable changes will not occur in the bedroom, but in your eyes and your mind. As nitric oxide levels begin to rise, cerebral blood vessels dilate and oxygen floods neural tissue. Brain fog clears, focus returns, and afternoon fatigue fades. By day 14, the pipeline below begins to respond more strongly. With sustained support from L-Citrulline and pine bark extract, endothelial cells gradually regain elasticity. Morning firmness becomes more consistent. This is not temporary stimulation from medication. It is the result of blood vessels that have genuinely reopened and regained flexibility. When you reach the 30-day mark, you will recognize a completely different version of yourself. Exercise endurance improves, heart rhythm stabilizes, and confidence, the most important masculine weapon, returns with force. Masculine vitality never disappears permanently. It simply falls asleep when the nitric oxide factory is starved. When you refill the fuel, the flame of vitality naturally reignites. The most important lesson I want to leave you with today is this: never accept declining health as an inevitable consequence of aging. True aging begins only when you stop caring and stop acting to protect yourself. Adding a few grams of active compounds to your morning water is not just nutrition. It is a declaration that you still have the power to control your own life. Before we conclude, I want you to make a commitment to yourself. Which ingredient will you add to your morning water tomorrow? Beetroot powder for immediate impact or L-Citrulline for sustained endurance? Leave your choice in the comments. I will personally review and provide guidance to ensure your path is as precise as possible. I am Dr. Naren. Thank you for walking with me in today's journey to restore masculine vitality. Do not forget to share this video with the men who need it most. Keep your blood flowing strongly and your mind sharp. Goodbye, and I look forward to seeing you in the next health strategies.